Hi guys! Today, we'll fix the issue where your keyboard language keeps changing on its own in Windows. Step 1. Disable key shortcuts that switch languages. Search for Advanced Keyboard Settings and open it. Click Language Bar Options Advanced Key Settings tab Change Key Sequence. Set Switch Input Language and Switch Keyboard Layout to Not Assigned. Click Apply and OK. This stops accidental key combinations from changing your keyboard layout. Step 2. Apply language settings system-wide if the problem persists. Right-click the Start button and select Run, or press Windows plus R. Type intl.cpl and click OK. Go to the Administrative tab and click Copy Settings. Check both Welcome Screen and System Accounts and New User Accounts. Click OK. That's it. Your keyboard language should now stay consistent. If this helped, please like the video, it really supports the channel.